Welcome to another episode of our success series. If you are new here, consider subscribing so that you will not miss other interesting videos like this. Don't forget to like and share this video. In today's video, we would talk about the three keys to meaningful learning and mastery of skills and profession. Knowledge plays an important role in the productivity and prosperity of economies, organizations, and individuals. Even so, research on learning has primarily focused on the role of doing, that is, experience, in fostering progress over time. Learning is about acquiring knowledge or information. Maybe you enjoy listening to a lecture, watching a demonstration, writing, discussing an area of interest with a friend, watching an online tutorial or informational video like this, reading a book, going to a workshop, or attending a conference. You need to learn from others' thoughts and evaluation to gain new insight, perspective, and ideas. You can do this by reading, watching, or listening to what others have shared and asking questions, making comments, or giving compliment. Number one key to a more meaningful learning and mastery is reflecting. Reflecting on what you have learned. Reflecting on what you have learned and how you can apply it in your daily life and work is crucial for a meaningful learning. Reflection allows you to analyze and understand what you have learned, making it easier to apply that knowledge in real life situations. Reflect on your learning experience during and after it has taken place. Be cognizant of what you were and are thinking about how you took in information, inquired when needing clarification, and reach a clear understanding. Tap into what unconsciously may have influenced your learning, such as prior knowledge, experiences with your selected topic, or cultural perspective. Another key, the second key to a much more meaningful learning and mastery is to practice what you learn. Watching cooking shows and knowing the theory behind cooking doesn't make us skilled cooks. Meaningful learning comes from actually making dishes and applying that knowledge. Some people are involved in intellectual entertainment, that is, learning without implementation. Implementation is crucial in the learning process, as turning thoughts into action is necessary to truly extract maximum knowledge. The illusion of knowledge is only broken when you apply what you have learned and create an output. As simply reading or understanding a concept does not equate to true learning. If you learn something and you don't use, you will lose it. You attend many conferences, training, read many books, etc. But you don't implement what you learn means that you don't have a takeaway. Number three, and the final one, sharing what you learn, sharing your knowledge, sharing your experiences. Sharing knowledge not only helps others learn, but also reinforces your own understanding and allows for further growth and development. Sharing what you have learned helps deepen your understanding and learning process, making it more effective. Sharing what you have learned through teaching or social media helps solidify your understanding and knowledge. To conclude, as we empower our minds with knowledge, share your thoughts and ideas about how and what you have taken away from different learning experiences so that you can gain a deeper knowledge of your practice and how to improve both instructions and feedback.